Morning, kids. It is turn it in day for the project. So I'm going to show you how to put together your flip book. Hopefully it's all done and completed, unlike mine that is blank. It is just a sample. You are going to need 4 1-inch long pieces of tape. So you're going to take tape dispenser. I'll also have some tape up on the front board and along the side. 1 inch, doesn't need to be a large piece. There we go. I want 4 of those pieces of tape. 4 pieces of tape. Then you are going to open the first page of your flip book. Make sure everything is lined up. Now I'm doing this by holding it in air. It's much more difficult. It's easier if you lay it on a flat surface, but you get it all nice and lined up. The crease is all lined up, and then you just need 2 pieces of tape here. So you do one right there, and then you do one towards the other side. Doesn't have to be exactly neat, just as long as it overlaps that crease. Fold it back, crease where the tape is a little bit, and now you have taped the purple piece in. You're going to repeat that with the next page. This should be all that you need. Again, make sure your creases line up. Put your piece of tape right there. Again, it'll be easier for you on a flat surface. Put your 4th piece of tape right there. Push them in a little bit. Recrease it, and hey, look, you now have a flip book that's not going to fall apart. Final thing that you should do is you should get a rubric before you hand it in. Rubric from Mr. Malik. I advise you use the rubric to grade yourself. Make sure you're getting as many points as you can, or at least as you want, and put your name on the rubric, your partner's name if you have one, and just insert it into one of the pages of the flip book. Now it is ready to hand in. There's that rubric just sort of sticking out there. Good job, you got it done. Have a great Friday, kids. I'm looking forward to grading your flip books. Yeah.